Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I won't go down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Late night, your eyes fell to the floor. I'm trying to make sense, but you're losing your patience. Hands talk, won't stop, we go to war. In the heat of the moment, you think that we're broken. I could see my whole life with you, baby. Now you got me thinking that I'm crazy, 'cause you're out the door. Just one mistake, you say you're not in love no more. But was it really love if you can leave me for something so innocent? Is this the end? Thought you'd be there through thick and thin. Can't sleep, can't eat, my mind's a mess. What are you thinking? You were happy last weekend, all the good times, how'd you forget? I was your best friend, yeah. Remember when you said you could see your whole life with me, baby?